got Strawberry Cough right here. New Deadwoods, my boys.
Hell yeah.
He told me to hit a blinker off this, and I'm gonna try it too, real quick.
I thought I was gonna get pulled over yesterday.
What?
I was fucking going home, and I was smoking real fast. Nah, I need to smoke.
Easy
So I
blinkers.
was smoking,
You know what?
and then right
Double.
at the stop, I was drinking coughing hella hard and had the cuff going like this, like fucking dying. And then está la pinche chota. And he's like staring at me, and I'm just like, oh shit.
Hey, right there close to my house? Or?
Yeah.
The real deal. No. Yeah.
Yeah.